There are times when the project demands that the parts being drilled are held securely and precisely. And BESSEY's malleable cast iron bodied drill press vise provides the precision and security you demand. The body of the vise features elongated clamping holes, allowing it to adapt to a wide range of drill press tables with differing slot designs. These generous mounting flanges also make it easy and convenient to clamp the vise in place when needed. And the overall mass of the cast iron body means that light-duty tasks can be done with no clamping at all. And since your need to securely hold small parts is not limited to your drill press, the vise really isn't either. The Acme screw that moves the jaw features a pivot handle on the end, allowing for rapid movement of the jaw when the handle is free to turn, as well as when it's overhanging the table that you're working on. And when the jaw's in place, the handle gives plenty of leverage for clamping. And it can always be fitted with BESSEY's multi-purpose vise jaws, increasing the capabilities of this handy little vise. When you need to position parts accurately and drill them securely on your drill press or anywhere around the shop, you can count on the malleable cast iron drill press vise from BESSEY to increase the versatility and accuracy of your tools.